Hey, good day, everyone. Check out this Soosleepy mattress topper here. So cozy and so sleepy. It needs about 24 to 48 hours to expand fully, and it may take longer in lower temperatures. But to operate this thing, you just unpack and unroll, cut the plastic, expand, and jump in. It's just got this outer coating of plastic on it. You can just pull it out this way. This memory foam mattress topper features 7 distinct zones to provide customized support for your head, shoulders, back, waist, hips, knees, and feet. This unique design alleviates pressure points and ensures proper spinal alignment, making it ideal for reducing back pain. Enjoy a restful night's sleep with this Soosleepy's cooling mattress topper. Stay cool all night with this cooling gel mattress topper. It's infused with cooling gel and designed with airflow channels. This topper enhances breathability and heat dissipation. It's perfect for hot sleepers. And this cooling bed topper helps maintain a comfortable sleep temperature, preventing night sweats and ensuring a refreshing sleep experience. The unique egg crate design of this bed topper provides additional cushioning and support, enhancing the comfort of any mattress. This mattress pad not only adds a layer of softness, but also maintains the necessary firmness for proper spinal alignment, ideal for extending the life of an old mattress or adding luxury to a new one. Oh, yeah. Oh, this is nice. Yeah. I don't want to get up now. This is super nice. Super comfy. Yeah. I like this.